chicken tikka.
This is my usual frozen recipe. It's pretty simple and easy to make. Today I'm making protein wraps. I cook these in batches, 6 to 8 at a time. It's mostly breakfast, sometimes dinner, sometimes both when I'm really busy. While cooking, I found a ladybug in my spinach bag, so I stopped and put it outside. So, quick note for everyone, please wash your spinach, even though the bag says washed and ready to eat. Chicken thigh, marinated and air fried. Eggs, spinach, quickly cooked in butter. Cheese, sriracha, kewpie mayo. Nothing complicated. Pretty simple. Put just enough eggs, enough greens, and good amount of chicken. And your wrap is almost ready. Also, you can add other ingredients. Like in few of my wraps, I put in cherry tomatoes. Yep, feel free to experiment with it. This is my backup, my frozen safety net. The days I feel lazy or when the freezer is almost empty.